Alright, welcome back. Today we are talking about CSS Outline. I have never actually used the Outline property, so this is a bit of a new one to me. So Outline is a little bit like border, but it actually sits outside of the border on an element. And it does not affect the element's positioning, so it doesn't add to the size of the element officially. So it may actually overlap other elements. I say elements. All right, so outline test. So now the outline property is outline, 1 pixel solid, very similar to border, I think. Solid, and then a color. Let's see if this works. It does, but we can't see it because I have it to dark mode. So let's set this to some teal type color and have a look. So outline sits here. Let's inspect this. And so you can't see anything on here because this is not set to show outline, but apparently the outline sits right on the edge or right outside the border. So you could do some tricky stuff with outline. Let's just set it to 5 pixels. So if you see that, how it doesn't move the div. So then if we wanted to have an outline when we moused over the div, we could just do outline test, hover over, hover, and then reload. And then every time we hover it, it gets an outline, but doesn't move it at all. So that is an outline. And now it does have a few settings. You can set it to dotted, so kind of the same as the ones you could do for border. So you could do a dotted outline or a dashed. It does have some other ones you can use, like groove, ridge, inset, outset, that kind of thing. Things you'll probably never use. I think the only thing you'd ever use. That's a groove. That's pretty groovy. So yes, that is outline. What if we do like a 50 pixel outline? What does that do? Doesn't work. Oh, 50x. I must have insert on. Whoa, that's chunky. You can't even see it, it's so chunky. 50 pixel groove. See, so that actually goes outside of the document, but doesn't push it out at all because it's just an outline. So yeah, that is outline. Pretty cool. Something I haven't used, but you might come across it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.